Welcome aboard the Lunar Carrier, the pinnacle of alien engineering. With Repulsolift, an exclusive technology from Repulsolift carriers, the ship can glide over any terrain effortlessly. It can also travel to nearby moons with minimal space travel capabilities. Early models, named Terra Mover, did not have space travel capabilities but built the hardy reputation of Repulsolift. When space travel technology was added to the ship, the name was changed to Lunar Carrier. Many of the older Terra carriers are still in service. The Lunar Carrier boasts a cargo capacity of 200 tons and travels with a crew of 12. The ship has 3 expansive, modular cargo bays, able to accommodate virtually any size or type of cargo. This spacecraft redefines the boundaries of space cargo delivery. Join our crew as we embark on a journey through the cosmos, navigating alien moons with precision, grace, and delivering on time. For more information on the Lunar Carrier with Repulsolift technology, click the link in the description below. Like and subscribe for a new alien spaceship every day.